What's up, Cali boys, Cali girls? Today we're gonna do an install on the Uptown Overland roof rack. And since my last video, I added some more stuff to the truck, to the Ranger. Here, I'll show you. I added another Rotopax to both sides. I put the traction bars up top. I had this already. Cool little Ranger. The Ranger. And in the rear, I don't know if you can see it, but I put some Fox 2.0s. And in the front, some Fox 2.0s. Looking good. The ride quality is good. Highly recommend to get some. And then I put some cool shaded side markers. Blends good with the trim. Makes it look clean. And yeah, so we're gonna do an install on the roof rack. Here's the roof rack. They actually shipped it pretty fast. Their lead time was real short. I was looking at two racks that I was interested in, the Prinsu and the Uptown, or Up Top. But the Up Top looked better to me, so pick that one. All right, let's do this. Alright guys, I got everything laid out. Here's your front fairing. I got the front fairing without any light cutouts, but they're optional, you could choose from. I just didn't know what lights to go with, so I just chose it without the cutouts. We got the load bars. We should have 6 of them. And your side plates, left side and right side. And they did a good job. They labeled everything for you. You got all these labeled: front, mid, rear, mounting hardware, the feet hardware, your load bar hardware, your fairings. Give you a cool little sticker. And all the parts is cool because they're labeled with numbers. I don't know if you can see the numbers on there, but everything matches up with the instructions. The instructions are very good. These 4 are interchangeable from the mid and rear, and these ones are for the front. All right, I got the rack all put together. Looking good. It wasn't that hard. Very easy. So the feet are specific of the locations. So you're gonna have, this is the driver's side, and I left it loose so that this can move. It's gonna adjust when it's on the roof on both sides. There's gonna be a left side and a right side foot. Leave these ones loose. And then the middle row, these feet, you could tighten them down, but it's specific. You have to use the bottom holes on the feet. You have a top hole and then a bottom hole. Use the bottom hole for the middle feet. And for the rear, you're gonna use the top holes for the rear. But the feet, these things, you could use them for the front. I'm sorry, you could use them for the rear and you can use them for the middle. It's just the placement of the mounting bolts. All right, so I had to take the drip rails off, and I thought I was gonna get away without having to take the headliner down, but I got the drip roll off. There's one bolt here and one bolt there, and then for your headliner you're gonna take off that and your seat belt here and that. The driver's side's not done yet, but this is what it looks like. Pop the tool in there to hold it. Pull this off, get out the way. Hold off the visors, the light here, and the pillar. So guys, I finally got this up top roof rack installed. Ran into some issues, but everything came out clean. Let's check it out. So what I noticed when I ordered it online, these were different right here, and it didn't match the picture. It had like some teeth right here, but I contacted UPTOP and they revised the part, and it's like this now. So everything matched. So after drilling the holes in the roof, which was kind of nerve-wracking, and you know, if you mess up, it's hard to fix, but I did like measurements like 5 times before I even started drilling. Measured them out, marked them, and putting the riv nuts on was the hardest part. I highly recommend that you get a riv nut tool to put the riv nuts in. It saved me so much time. I just picked one up in the in a auto shop or auto store, and it cut my time down in half, more than half. And I didn't have to struggle trying to use this bolt thing that they show on online. Just put your money into a rivet nut tool, maybe like 50 bucks, and it saved me all kinds of hassles.